Hello everyone, today we've got here VIVO Y31 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So first of all, enroll new message or any other area where you've got access to keyboard. So you can open new node, browser, whatever. We just need to open the keyboard. Now mark settings, select languages and mark add keyboard. You can either scroll till you find the preferred language or use the search area to locate it. As you can see, there's plenty of languages that you can choose from, and let me pick for example this one so we can see the change clearly. Pick the layout if there is more than one, tap on done, and you can either stay with both languages. In that case you'll have this word icon here to switch between languages, or you can leave one language only. I'll go back to English, and then this word icon disappears and you've got one language only on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.